Yeah, so this one is always funny to get there, but swell, as predicted, it's supposed to be very small swell, but it's always like it is what it is. Maybe slippery over here, hopefully not too splashy over here. So we are starting with this beauty. Actually, I made it maybe like an hour ago. It's 15 gram, and with the rod, it's the first session with the Shimano Nessa 11.2 feet bankfish. Well, that was not very successful weedless presentation, was it? I lost it, basically let it fall into the crag, and what happened actually there? Huh, maybe it was a bad knot. Yeah, let's retie and let's try something else. Uh-oh. Yeah, so shower time. Some beautiful waves with the sunset, like no complaints. If we catch something or we don't, who cares? I can say definitely like that 11.2 cast even the soft plastic a little bit quite far. I was like, can I feel when it drops? Yeah, I can. It was actually a bite, but more like a small pollocky bite. Fucking splashy. Yeah, before the sun goes down, definitely let's try a few casts with the metal. Love to catch at least a fish on the new rod, just to give it kind of good start. Are there? Yeah, the jigs are on this side. So start basically with this one, with the T-boy. I ordered the 25, so I'll make it kind of like 30 gram. So from 15 we made 20, from 25 I'm going to make 30, and more than likely that's going to be enough. Maybe 40. I will make one more, maybe like 40, just to cover some extra distance when it's going to be super windy. Feels like nothing on this rod. It's going to be casting like crazy far. This rod seems to be definitely more kind of like a hard plastics or hard-lowers and metals. Sensitivity is pretty good. On the soft plastic I couldn't, even on the 10-15 gram magic head, I couldn't feel when how it touches the bottom. Might be just a little bit of practice though. The casting is just stupid. So from here I'm able to cover pretty much all of the ground which I'm usually fishing from different spots. And again, like, yeah, very interesting. Do we have a sunset weed or sunset fish? I think it's sunset fish. Micro pollock came to say hello. Be free. Send a grandma. try this kind of jig. Fish on. So first bigger fish on the Nessa. It's actually even taking dry. What the fuck did I catch? Jesus, this is big actually. That's swimming towards me. There's a little bit of adrenaline. Do we have pollock or bass? Ah, big pollock. A super good fight. Be free. Wow, my fucking hands is sore. That was a good fight.